OnePlus Nord is the upcoming smartphone series from OnePlus, the BBK-owned mobile company. OnePlus has been teasing the upcoming series online recently. The company has now announced that the new smartphone series will be unveiled on July 21. As previously revealed, the handset will be available exclusively on the e-commerce site Amazon. There is a dedicated microsite of the upcoming smartphone series on Amazon India website with a Notify Me button. As per the Amazon page, the smartphone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 grams 5G processor. OnePlus Nord will be up for pre-orders in India from July 15 onwards via Amazon. To pre-book the device, one has to pay 499 rupees, for which they will get a gift box containing limited edition merchandise from the smartphone brand. Earlier this month, the company said that the first handset under the OnePlus Nord series will be launched in India and Europe. Besides these regions, the first smartphone in the OnePlus Nord series will also be available to select number of users in North America. It will be available through a highly limited beta program after launch, said the company. OnePlus Nord series phones are set to come with mid-range features and flagship camera features. It is set to make a mark for the company in mid-range price phone segment. OnePlus has already confirmed that the upcoming phone series is going to be priced under $500, approximately 37,000 rupees price bracket. OnePlus CEO Pete Lau in the first episode of the 4-part series documentary said that Nord will be our first product below $500 in recent years. For OnePlus and the whole team, it's a massive challenge. Quote. Thanks for watching. Do you like my video? Then show me your love by pressing like button. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new technology updates.